All right, so now I'm pretty excited. We've got the behavior pack and the resource pack downloaded. So go to your downloads folder where that appeared, and let's go take a look at these behavior packs just to get an idea of the contents involved in each of these different behavior packs and resource packs. So let's take a look at the behavior pack. I'm going to go into that folder here, and you could see the first thing is a manifest.json file. This is going to be the one that describes all the information about your add-on. It's going to have the name, the UUIDs that we talked about. You can see there's 3 unique UUIDs and version numbers, things like that. So the manifest JSON is going to contain that information. And then you have the PNG file, which is the icon for the behavior pack. And then we have some folders here. So check this out. We have the entities folder. This is, oh, look at this. This is all of the entities and their behaviors. So if you wanted to look at the GAST behavior, you can take a look at that. You can see there's all of our behaviors defined for the GAST and all of the other entities that are in there, like exciting things like TNT, and you have all the different mobs. It's pretty exciting. So we've got, let's take a look at the other folder. We have the loot tables. So the loot tables are what drops when you kill things. It's what spawns in chests and things like that. So it also is the fishing, what happens when you go fishing. So you could take a look at some of these things here. So like if we went to the chests and say, what is the End City treasure chest here, you could take a look at that. And it'll basically go through, we'll cover all this in detail. I'm just trying to give you an overview of all the excitement that's in these packs. So let's see, we've got equipment, entities, chests, all that stuff. So you've got the loot tables are going to be a lot of fun. And then you have trading. So this is cool. This is so you could affect the villager trading. This is a fairly new add-on feature, so that's kind of exciting as well. So you can go to the farmer trades and control what they're willing to trade with you. So this is really cool. If you want to create some custom gameplay, you can customize all these things in the behavior pack. Now let's go take a look at the resource pack. The resource pack, remember, is going to change the visual aspects. Now, it's going to also have a manifest.json file, which looks very similar to the other one, right? It's got the name, the version number, the UUIDs, and I'll show you how to set that up properly. Same thing with a pack icon. So the behavior pack and the resource pack are 2 separate packs that have their own resources. And then now look at this. You have the models. The models are the definitions. See, this is all in one big file here. This is going to have basically the definition of all the cubes that make up each entity. So like the chicken has the head, the beak, the comb, the body, the legs, things like that. So all that stuff is defined here in the mobs.json file. And that's not the texture that's on it. It's the actual shape that the texture goes on. So if you go on to look at the textures, you could see here, this is where the textures exist. And these are going to be things like the items in your inventory, the texture of blocks, texture of entities, all that thing. So look, you can customize, basically creating your own resource pack by customizing all these different things. So you've got the bed, you've got the beacon, brewing stand, all this different stuff. So it's pretty cool. So if you were to look at some of these things here, like, let's see, dirt. See, there's the dirt block right there. You can go ahead and customize that. So all of that's customizable. That is pretty exciting. Paintings you could customize. The GUI, lots of cool stuff in these folders. We're going to cover these things in more detail later. So again, I'm just giving you a quick overview. The text, the actual words you could change in the language file, and also the sounds could be customized as well. So this is really exciting. Tons of stuff that you can customize here using the behavior packs and resource packs. So just wanted to give you a quick overview so you could see all of the exciting stuff that we're going to have access to by creating our add-ons. but we've got to go through and get everything set up properly so we can get started and make sure that we have a working behavior pack and resource pack by the time we're done. So let's just keep going step by step and get this going.